Do you want to become a content creator at kumita ng pera using your social media account? Then if yes, listen to this. Marami sa ating mga Pilipino ngayon ang sumusubok kumita gamit ang kanilang Facebook or social media account. However, many do not have a proper formula in utilizing their social media accounts. What they usually do is take someone else's trending video, edit it, and post it on their accounts. And that is cloud chasing. Yes, you can gain a lot of views and engagement, but how long it would last? If you really want to earn using your social media account, I suggest you must create engaging and your original content. Kasi in the long run, it will be beneficial for you because you will not be having issues with the copyright and with the plus policy of the platform that you're posting it with. Start from your hobbies or from your creative ideas or from your daily life activities or experiences na pwedeng-pwede mong i-share sa karamihan na makaka-relate ang audience mo. At hindi ka na mahirapan pang mag-isip at gumawa ng content because all you have to do is to bring out your camera and create a blog based from your own experience that viewers will be interested in. Maybe one day you'll have the ads on every video that you post or even a signing contract to endorse a product, diba? So if you want to be a content creator, then I am here to help. Follow me to see more meaningful content. This is Shena. God bless you and see you again.